Staging is a home strategy marketing tool used by sellers to help buyers imagine themselves living in your home. Not sure that that's truly important? Hi, I'm Gina Walton with the Walton Home Team of Keller Williams, and here are 3 advantages and 3 disadvantages of staging. Advantages of staging include making the photos of each room attract more buyers since their first look of your home is typically online. Staging also allows the buyers to envision themselves living in your home. And staging has proven to get a higher price in a short amount of time. Now, what are the disadvantages of staging? These include the time that it takes to minimize those personal items so that the staging items can be brought in. Staging is also a cost which really varies if a realtor provides the service or if the seller is paying for it. And if staging is done poorly, it may not draw the buyers in to take a personal look. If you're curious on selling your home, call or text today for a no-obligation consultation to talk about how your goals and the current housing market can work together to make them a reality. And make sure to subscribe below for other real estate tips in buying, selling, or investing in real estate, or just experiencing some of our favorite Kansas City neighborhoods and businesses.